हेलो नमस्ते நீங்கள் சுகமானோ आप कैसे हो நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா how are you all Deep-Rooted is providing free gift to all. For those who don't know what is Deep-Rooted is an online store that provides all kinds of fresh fruits and veggies to its customers home. These are some of the purchases I have made from deeprooted.co. You can get at reasonable prices. Sometimes you may get fresh fruits and veggies less than the market price. Now let me tell you 100% cashback details for new users. You can download Deep-Rooted from Google Play Store and log in with your phone number. After you log in with your phone number, you'll be asked a referral code. So do enter the referral code that I'll provide in the description box, because once you enter that referral code, you'll be getting instant 150 rupees in your wallet. And once you place your first order with that 150 rupees, you will be given 50 rupees cashback for the first 3 orders. I'll provide a video in the I button and end screen. If you want, you can click on that and know how I place my first order and the cashback details. Speaking of delivery charges, you have got 50 rupees delivery charges, and free delivery is available for orders above 399 rupees. And if you want free gift, you got to order 499 and above. So I want a free gift, therefore I placed an order, value rupees 522. As you say in the picture, my order value was 522 rupees, and I have applied coupon Sparkle to get 20% off. You can also apply Fresh 50 or any other Paytm coupons if they are available with you. Or else you'll have Deep-Rooted coupons while you check out. You can use them. Now it's unboxing time. Let's go and see what's a free gift Deep-Rooted has given, right? As you see in the picture, this is the free gift I've got along with the order. Initially when I saw, I thought it was sweet box, but it was not. So here comes Diya. Yes. On the occasion of Diwali, you have got this free diyas. These are eco-friendly. Thank you, Deep-Rooted, for this initiative to save the planet Earth from pollution. So how they are? Are they not beautiful? Small and tiny, looking pretty, right? So here I made a small attempt to lighten the lamps and show you. And I'm successful, yes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Do order and enjoy the free gift. Do subscribe. Keep smiling.